Hey guys, welcome to GYLT, Get Your Life Together channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you like technology, getting your life together, inspiration, motivation. Today we're going to do an unboxing of about $10,000 that I've spent in the last week on all tech stuff. $10,000 unboxing shopping spree. We did this last week. We had to get some items. It was time to kind of replenish everything. So we're gonna break these down individually on all the items that we got. First up, we have our Manfrotto. Now, normally I use the Gorilla Pods. However, this time I wanted to try the Manfrotto, see if we get it a little bit sturdy. I thought about ordering that Gorilla Pod 3K Pro, but we're gonna try this one first. This is the first one. Next, after that, we also went ahead and got, it was part of that Amazon Prime. Went ahead and did the micro SD card, 400 gigabytes. I believe it was on sale for Prime for like 40 bucks, 45 bucks, something like that. So we got that for the camera. And then in here, we got the little hot shoe for the Sony 6400. Obviously, when you lift up the Sony, the screen, obviously it pops up and then it blocks where you would put a microphone. So we got the hot shoe to slide it over to the side to be able to install the microphone as well. We're gonna get this all set up and see how it takes. So we got the Manfrotto tripod set up, guys. This is how it kind of looks. We put that little small rig right there. We're gonna connect the mic here, do a little unboxing of that as well, but nice little setup for the camera there for you. The tripod, it seems to be a little more steady. It does have an adjustable, so you can adjust this here. Also tightening it. Seems to be a lot more sturdy than the previous Manfrotto, so pretty good looking. Guys, we got the DD mic here. I was recommended this by influencers on YouTube. They said this is probably one of the best mics for the run and gun type of vlogging style for 2019. I did have the smaller Sony one before that. However, this one seems to be the popular one. Everyone's kind of coming out with it. So we'll take a look at it. Let's get this thing open. I got my handy scissors here, guys, so we get box right to it. But if you get a chance, you should go take a look at Video Influencers channel. Really good stuff for starting off with YouTube, having some information as far as what best equipment to buy. Obviously, Sony a6400, the camera we're shooting on right now, but also the, giving me a little problem here, Sony a6400, the mic, the micro SD cards, everything to help you get going there. So let's take a look. All right. Inside, little battery, a plug there. Mic's a little bit bigger. Looks like some little information, some format stuff like that, but that's about it. Let's see how the mic looks here. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Looks like it has a little sliding and adjust it, so you could probably place it on your camera where you want it. Little plug for the aux. I think this is going to probably have to reach around the Sony there for us. It looks like it needs a power battery. Looks like a AAA battery as well, guys. So we're going to get this connected, get this hooked up, and then I'll let you know exactly what I think. The whole setup there. Got the small rig, the a6400, the Manfrotto, the USB card, and I think it's DD or maybe DID microphone. That is the whole setup there. So we'll be switching over to that format there, guys. If you like it, it's not heavy at all. It's pretty much light. Feels kind of something that you'd probably get used to. I think this was the best way for the vlogging setup to have the camera still be able to come out. Can be done with this iPhone since it no longer have the a6500. And now we have the a6400, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think, see if you like the setup, see if I should move to the Gorilla Pod 3K Pro, and what you guys think we should add to it next. Catch you guys later. Now we're gonna unbox the Apple iWatch Generation 4 44 millimeter. Had a special Amazon Prime Day. I wasn't a big fan of the Apple Watches before, but now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try it again since we got about $134 off of it on Amazon Prime. So as you see, we have the Series 4 Space Gray Black Sport loop. Obviously tell me what other bands so we could be able to add some more to it. Let me know. Comment down below, hit that subscribe button, guys.